Stop recording.
Hi guys, it's me again today, and I am gonna do a Bop It XT carabiner versus the Bop It XT. First, I'm gonna do the Bop It XT carabiner. It's a smaller version between the Bop It XT. It doesn't have any shake it disabler to disable the shake it. You could just only play with the shake it on. And it doesn't have solo pass it. It doesn't have pass it party and one-on-one. You know why you can't put in one-on-one on this Bop It? Because there is only one Bop It button. Yeah, so with party, no. Pass it if you are playing the So I'm just gonna show you right now. So I'm playing. I'm gonna leave it on quiet. Yeah. Now the Bop It XT. So it has solo, pass it, party, and one-on-one, as always. And has the shake it disabler, has the reset button, and everything. And yeah, so this does have solo, pass it, and party, and one-on-one. The basic thing is that if you don't hold the bullet for the other levels, you can only play novice. Let me show you. So if you don't hold the bullet, you can't. You just can't. You just can't unlock them. You just can't. Like.
I'm going to sleep.
And if you beat the game, you could unlock a next level. And if you beat expert, you'll unlock the master level. Then you'll beat master, and then you'll unlock the pro level, and then you're done. So let me hold the bullet for you for the other levels. So I'm holding the bullet. Alright, so I am holding the bullet.
Expert, master, pro. Novice, expert, master, pro.
But the one-on-one mode is not available for the pro level.
Party.
For the pro level.
Solo. Pass it. Party. Solo. Pass it. Party. Solo. Pass it. Party. Solo.
So
Novice.
now
Pass it. Party. One-on-one.
I'm gonna demonstrate to you
Solo.
how this works.
Shake it. Novice. 5 score. 6. Bop it. Twist it. Pull it. Spin it. Flick it. Shake it. Twist it. Bop it. Flick it. Twist it. Spin it. Flick it. Pull it. Shake it. Shake it. Pull it.
video of how the Bop It XT carabiner versus the Bop It XT. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you enjoy it. Bye bye.
Stop recording.